Hello everyone, it's me, Mr. Maker. Are you ready to have some fun today? We are going to do something very special. We will turn flat pieces of paper into amazing animal friends. This is called origami. It's like magic. You are the magician. Colorful paper, your wonderful hands. We will fold the paper together, step by step. It's going to be so much fun. Let's get ready to make some wonderful things. I am so excited to see what you create. Let's make it. First, let's find a nice, comfy spot to sit down. At a table, on the floor. Make sure you have your paper ready. You can use any color you like. Blue dog, pink bunny. That sounds brilliant. We will go very slowly, so don't you worry. I know I am. Our first animal is a cute little bunny. Let's make one together. First, take your square piece of paper. Place it on the table so it looks like a diamond shape. The pointy corner should be at the top. The pointy corner should be at the bottom. The pointy corner should be on the sides. We are going to fold it all the way up to meet the top pointy corner. When they touch, press the fold down flat. Look, your square has turned into a big triangle. Well done, you're doing a great job already. Now we have a big triangle. Let's make the bunny's floppy ears. Find the pointy corner on the right side. We are going to fold this corner up, but not all the way to the top. Fold it up so the point goes past the top edge a little bit. This will be one of our bunny's ears. Now press that fold down. Great work. Your paper is starting to look like a bunny's head. Now fold that corner up just like you did with the other side. Look at that. You have made two wonderful floppy bunny ears. Now for the final step. Turn your paper over to the other side. Wow, it looks just like a bunny's face. Now, you can take your crayons or pens and give your bunny a face. You have made your very first origami animal. Hooray for you! What do bunnies love to eat? That's right, crunchy carrots. Are you ready to make another friend? This time, let's make a happy puppy dog. Just like our bunny, we will start with a square piece of paper. Place your paper on the table so it looks like a diamond again. Now, just like we did before, let's make a big triangle. Press the fold down flat. Fantastic! You are an expert at making triangles now. Let's make some floppy puppy ears. Fold it downwards and a little bit to the side. This will be one of your puppy's floppy ears. Fold that corner downwards and a little bit to the side. Look at that. You have a puppy face with two lovely floppy ears. Take just the top layer and fold that little point up just a tiny bit. This makes your puppy's nose and mouth. Give your puppy two eyes and a little nose on the part you just folded up. You can even draw some spots on its ears. You've made a perfect puppy. What sound does a happy puppy make? You can pause here and make another one. Shall we make a kitty cat now? A cute little cat to be friends with our puppy. Maybe a gray, maybe a black, maybe an orange one for a ginger cat? Place your paper down like a diamond, with the points at the top and bottom. Fold the bottom corner up to meet the top corner. Now that we have our big triangle, let's make some pointy cat ears. Fold it up and out to the side a little bit. That looks just like a cat's ear. Fold it up and out to the side, just like you did with the first one. Now your cat has two pointy ears. Turn your paper over. Look, it's a cat's head. Draw two eyes, a little triangle nose, and some long whiskers. Cats use their whiskers to feel things around them. You have made a perfect kitty cat. Do you know what sound a happy cat makes? It purrs. Are you ready for a new animal? This one likes to hop and loves water. Let's make a frog. For this one, a green piece of paper would be perfect. Start with your square piece of paper. Place it on the table like a square. Take the bottom edge and fold it up to meet the top edge. Open your paper back up. Now fold it in half the other way. Now your square has a cross in the middle. This next part is a little bit tricky, so take your time. Push the sides inwards. The top part folds down, making a triangle shape. Now you have a triangle shape with two little flaps underneath. Fold the corners up and back down to make a Z shape for the back legs. This makes a spring so your frog can jump. Turn your frog over and draw eyes on top. Now gently press on your frog's back and watch it hop. You made a jumping frog. Where do frogs live? They love to live near ponds. Let's make an animal that can fly high in the sky. We are going to make a sweet little bird. A blue or yellow piece would be lovely. Place your paper like a diamond and make a big triangle. Take each corner and fold it up so the edges line up with the center. For the head, push the top point down and inside to make a beak. Draw a little eye and you've made a beautiful bird. Are you ready to go on an underwater adventure? Let's make a little fish. Blue, orange, or rainbow paper would be perfect for a fish. Start with a diamond and fold into your big triangle. Fold both corners up to the top point to make a diamond shape again. Turn it over. The pointy right side is the tail, the left is the head. Draw an eye and some wavy lines for scales. You have made a fantastic fish. Birds fly high in the sky. Fish live in rivers, lakes, and the big ocean. What sound does a little bird make? Tweet, tweet. For our last animal, let's make a very clever and quick animal. Let's make a fox. Start with orange paper in a diamond and make your big triangle. Fold both bottom corners up to the top point to make a smaller diamond. Turn it over and fold the front layer down to show the pointy ears. Color the ear tips white and draw clever eyes and a black nose. Look at your amazing fox. It looks so clever and cute. Look at all the incredible animals you have made today. A bouncy bunny, friendly dog, perfect cat, hoppy frog, flying bird, swimming fish, and clever fox. That is a whole zoo of paper friends. You should be so proud of yourself. You used your hands to turn flat paper into something magical. You are a truly amazing maker. You can play with your paper friends and make up stories about their adventures. Keep on making, keep on creating, and keep on smiling. You are a superstar maker. Goodbye for now, and keep those creative